my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and if you guys enjoy those types of videos, please make sure to like this video and of course subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. So in today's video, as you've seen by the title, I'm going to be doing a clean, springy type of makeup tutorial for you guys. And I've been wearing this look lately and it's so glowy and so refreshing, and it just like gives a nice island tropical vibe too because of the bronzing and everything like that. Like, this is a very clean makeup tutorial. And before we get started, I really want to show you guys the jewelry that I'm wearing right now. It's from Sylvia X, and I have their necklace on, and I have this customized ring on that says Chanel. I got this beautiful cross necklace, and I'm just gonna show you guys up close, and look how blingy it is. And it's a rope type of necklace with a cross that's really blingy. And I do have a lot of their jewelry as well, but let me show you guys the new pieces that I have right now. So with their packaging, it looks like this, and when you open it, it comes with their own jewelry cloth as well that says Sylvia. And this next piece right here is a customized necklace that says Symphony on it, and you guys know that's my name. And yes, if you're new here, that is my real name. My name is Symphony, and it has pearls on it, and this is 16 inches, and this necklace as well is 16 inches, but with the necklace you can get this with 18 inches and 20 inches and all of that. And this next piece right here is another customized necklace that says Symphony, but it's pretty basic instead of like the other one which has pearls. This is more of a basic one that you can wear with anything, and this one is 18 inches, and this one on the end of it has a heart on it. And you can also get this in silver if you want to, but you guys know I love gold. And lastly, I had got these beautiful hoops, and they're gold and silver, and it just says Natanya on them because that is my middle name. And these are so gorgeous. You can even get these in all gold if you want to. So as you can see with all the jewelry that I showed you guys, they have personalized name jewelry, even jewelry that's not personalized, like this cross necklace. They have rings, earrings, necklaces, bracelets, anklets, so many things in silver, gold, and rose gold. And all of this that I showed you guys is perfect for Mother's Day, Father's Day, a birthday gift, a gift in general. They have affordable jewelry, 30-day warranty, and they have global shipping. That's the jewelry that I have on right now. So without further ado, let's get started with this makeup tutorial. I don't know if it's just me, but every time I try to do a makeup tutorial or anything with my face likes to trip out beforehand, and it's like, why? Because my skin was going really well, but half of it was my fault honestly because I was picking at it a little bit. My lips are so dry right now, and I'm just gonna go in with some Vaseline. It was so windy yesterday and I kept licking them. Now I am going to prime my face, and I'm going to be using the AOA Studio Aqua Hydrating Face Primer. This little thing that cost only $1 or $1.50 does the job. And I like putting it underneath right here because I do put foundation and like bronzer and stuff. And oh, before I even put this on, I make sure that my face is moisturized and clean and everything, because since this is a clean type of makeup tutorial, like, you really want your face to look very bright and alive. Even if you don't have makeup on, you still want it to have like that brightness look underneath it. And as you can see, I already have my brows done because I'm very particular about my brows and I'm very precise about them. So the video would take like an extra 15 minutes just to show you guys how I do my brows. A tutorial on my brows will be coming very soon. Now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is just gonna help me cover like the little acne scars that I have, and just help cover underneath my under eyes. Even though I want this look to be very clean, I also do not want it to be like too much of a full coverage makeup look, even though it's like kind of hiding there, but it's not really hiding there. And I just prefer blending this out with my finger because it just gives more of a full coverage, because you know the sponge can take up product. I forgot to add this before I even put anything on. I would definitely recommend you guys putting sunscreen on before you add any product. So the sunscreen, primer, then the color corrector. And I'm not going out anyway, but let me just show you guys how sheer this is, and let me freaking mix this up first, if anything. And actually I am going to put a little bit on, like on my forehead at least, but usually I'll put it all over my face. But just for the sake of this video and just showing you guys what I do, I'm gonna just add a little bit on the parts that I didn't put color corrector. It's very sheer and it only gives a white cast if you put too much on. Put like at least a dime amount and put it all over your face. And this is the Cetaphil Sheer Mineral Face Liquid Sunscreen with a 50 SPF. Then I'm gonna go in with one of my favorite foundations of all time, literally one of my top 3, 4, like, it's in the category. It's the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Normal to Oily foundation, and I'm in the color 228 Soft Tan. And I love this foundation so much. It's hard for me to get into other foundations because this foundation works so good, and it took me a long time to get into like high-end foundations because I was using this for a long time and it really does the job. Usually I do medium to full because of like my acne scars and stuff, but yeah, this works so good. And right now on Amazon, and right now I believe they're like $4. I don't know if they changed the prices or what, but I sworn this was like $6 now it's like $4, unless that was just the sale going on, I don't know. And I like putting it on the back of my hand first, then wiping it or swatching it on my face. And I'm going to be using my 𝐏𝐄𝐃 Cloud Sponge, and I have a discount code with them, which is Symphony, and you guys can get 10 or 15% off. I'll leave it on the screen and the description box for you guys. And I'm just going to take a little bit more because of my acne, and I usually just place it like where like the acne scars are. I'm gonna go in with the Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer by Maybelline. This really helps with like under eye circles and everything, and it's lightweight and also gives like a full coverage effect as well. So yeah, I'm going to be using this, and I did rip off the sponge off of it just because I heard it just takes too much product, but I kind of regret doing that. It helps apply the concealer, and now I have to use my finger and do all this extra stuff. I'm just gonna apply it just like this in a triangle like form and apply some right here so it can give me a lifted eye effect. And I do apply some on my forehead and my chin and right here as well. Now I'm going to blend it with the other side of the 𝐏𝐿 sponge. And I love having a bright under eye since it makes you look more wide awake, especially if you're so tired and you can literally tell on your face that you're tired. Now it's time to contour, which is my favorite part. I feel like I look like a very round egg right now. So I am going to be using my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I have two different concealers. One of them's too dark and one of them's too light. And this one is Suede and the other one is Dark Cocoa. So I'm just gonna use mostly Suede and add like a few dots of Dark Cocoa. And to blend this out, I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. Complexion Duo brush, and I'm going to use this side and just blend it out. And on the other side, I'm just going to blend out the nose contour. And I'm just gonna add a little bit more concealer. See, with this look, it's not like, oh, I'm gonna do this, then jump to this. No, because I always go back into doing something, whether it's fixing my contour, fixing my blush, fixing my concealer. It's like a lot of going back and forth just to make sure everything is looking right. So now I'm gonna go in with my SheGlam Color Bloom liquid blush in the shade Risky Business, and I've been using this blush for a minute now and I really like it a lot. I even like it. I love this blush. And to blend this out, I'm going to be using the Mini Duo Fiber Stippling Brush by Beauty Junkies, and I got this from Amazon. It works so good just to blend blush, contour, bronzer, anything. But I use this for blush and it works so well. And it was only like $10 or something. It reminds me of a Stigma or a Morphe type of dupe. And sometimes I can put too much, and I always blend it out with a sponge. All the liquid stuff is done now with the cream contour, blush, foundation, and all that. Now it's time to set everything. I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro powder in the shade Banana Yellow. And I'm just going to be taking my little powder sponge that I got from Shein. And I also have a discount code with them finally, so make sure you guys use my discount code Symphony15 to get money off. You can also get this on Amazon too. Like, I noticed when I bake, it sets so much better instead of just setting it with a brush. I like just putting it on the sides of my nose. Helps with the contour snatched look. While that's baking, I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder, and I'm going to be using this as a contour and eyeshadow, and this is in the shade 360 Mocha. I'm going to be using the Pro Sculptor by Beauty Junkies, and this was from Amazon too. I'll link everything that I'm using in this video down below anyway. And I add some on my ears so I can match better, on my neck and here too. And I'm taking the Pro Setting brush by Beauty Junkies. I had worked with them in the past, and I genuinely do love their brushes. Like, these are the brushes that I actually use when I do my makeup. And then I'm just gonna tap this in and wipe this off at the same time because I don't want no type of creases. Like, I swear I have not done a makeup tutorial in like 3 months or so, so I feel a little bit off. I'm not going to lie, I do feel a little bit off, but you know, I'm still gonna make this work. I try not to be like super picky when it comes to my makeup tutorials, because at the end of the day, you guys get it. Like, it doesn't have to be so perfect, and so this is honestly realistic. I'm always forgetting something when it comes to my makeup. For the blush, and this is one of my favorite parts because blush really helps with my face, because as you can see, I have really round cheeks. So lately I've been going in with my Milani blush, and this is in the shade Dulce Pink, and I like taking a good amount. Just apply it how I apply the cream blush. And it also has like a highlight look to it, so in case I do forget to add highlight, I love using this blush. It's like a pinky, highlighty, goldy looking blush. Sometimes I add it on my forehead, chin, nose. So now I'm gonna go in with highlight. I like going in with a little bit of that and just put it right here. Not too much, because it can really give you a really nice highlight if you want that. Put it on the inner corner to wake up my eyes a little bit. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to melt everything together before I set it. Usually I set right after I'm done, like with everything, literally when it comes to my lips, eyebrows, like everything. But for melting everything together, I use my NYX Bear With Me Prime Set and Refresh Spray. My neck. So for the lashes, I just recommend you guys use any type of waterproof mascara. I'm going to curl my lash, and I start off with one lash always, because if I do both, then it's like, okay, one of them's gonna go down quick, and it's like, no, I have to do one eyelash at a time. For the mascara, I'm using my She Glam mascara. It looks like this. This was only like $4 or $5, and I'm going to be taking the thick side first and the wand looks like this. And I'm not adding no type of lashes just because lately I really have been into not wearing any lashes. Really quickly, I'm gonna switch over to the other side for length because this just gives me volume and the other side gives me length. And now, just to have them more open and more wide awake, I'm going to be taking my Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil, and it's waterproof in the shade Silky Nude. And this is the best water liner ever. I believe they have this in black as well. I swear, still to this day, it be tickling my freaking eye. I thought I would get used to it by now. And now I'm going to be adding mascara on the bottom of my lashes, but not too much. I don't want them looking too thick. For my eyebrows, I already did them obviously, but I don't set them until after I'm done doing everything like this. And I just go in with the brow glue by NYX, and this is one of the best brow glues ever from the drugstore. It works so good. So now for the lips, I'm gonna go in with the Revlon Kiss Balm, and it has SPF 20 in it, and I have not used this yet, and this was given to me as a gift for Valentine's Day. It came in a little pack, and I'm so glad it has SPF 15, and it tastes like cherries and berries. Then I'm gonna go in with my NYX lip liner in the shade Brown, and this was only $4, and this works so freaking good. And I'm just gonna lightly lip line my lips. And then I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Perfection Precision lip liner in the shade Sugar and Spice and Everything Nice. I'm just kidding, no, it just says Sugar and Spice, but yeah, I'm just gonna add a little bit on the inner part. And I'm just going to be using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Caro. This is the one. This is exactly how I do it. Lastly, for the final step of this clean, springy makeup tutorial, I'm gonna be going in with my Milani Make It Last setting spray. This is the final makeup look for this clean, springy makeup tutorial. That's not too much. That's very natural looking. It makes you look very glowy and alive and very tropical vibes too if you want that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Everything that I mentioned in this video will be listed down below, and do not forget to check out Sylvia X's jewelry. Thank you so much for almost 25k subscribers. Probably by the time you watch this video, we already hit 25k subscribers, so thank you guys so much. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. Click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, I love you guys so much. God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.